Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me to the morning report. Viewing the Australian dollar over the last 12 hours, the market took a challenge to the upside and rejected around that 72-cent handle and therefore looks back towards the support level seen at 71.60. Now being its third consecutive session of challenging this support level, the technicals still remain negative. It is viewed that this level will eventually give way and expose the region of 17.90 and reassess from there, as we may see a little or some profit taking. The euro took a challenge to the downside and the market respected the trend line, which is seen around 112.70. From the rebound, the market is still somewhat negative due to the weak RSI and the MACD still somewhat weak, and therefore could see further down challenges towards this level of 112.70 and reassess from there, as a break would expose the region of 112.25, with the broader aspect still looking towards that region of 111 figure 50. The dollar yen case is weaker overnight and the market finally breaks the level of 115.5 and now exposes the next target, which is seen around 115.10 as minor and looking lower towards this objective of 114.60. Reassess from that level because we may find a little bit of profit taking emerge. Moving on to sterling, but the market was a little bit whipsawed overnight. Nevertheless, still I believe that we are looking for a pullback before the initial move up, with the immediate support seen at 135.25.35 and the base seen around 134.30.40. Any pullback, if we do witness, should draw the bulls back into the region of rebounding from this level in front of that 134.30.40 and maybe see renewed rallies on towards 136 to 137. Looking at sterling CAD, we've got an engulfing candle, and from that, due to the breakdown in dollar yen, has seen further weakness for CAD yen. Overall, though, I still feel the market is looking towards the downside, an objective of around 90.55, and beneath there, we just bring this across a little bit. You can see that looking towards that support level, which is around 89.60.80. Moving on to gold, well, the market was once again a little bit choppy as it respects the level of 1,788. Nevertheless, lacking technicals still gives further indication that we might see another challenge towards this bottom side, and therefore a break would expose the region of the key support level of 1,757 to 64 and reassess from there. With weak technicals, I feel that the upside at this stage is limited. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market is back slightly further away from that $80 mark and now looking towards the first support located around 77.50. And then reassess from there, as we could see slightly lower down towards 76.40. Well, that's a wrap for this morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please join me later today for the wrap of the day, and also keep an eye out for the intraday report that will be released soon.